If Grammarly is not checking your writing or the error checker is not working, this video will walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. Whether Grammarly is missing suggestions, not loading on your document, or simply refusing to scan your text, these troubleshooting steps can usually get it working again. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software fixes and how-to videos. First, click the Grammarly icon in your browser toolbar while you're on your document page. Once the pop-up opens, make sure the option that says check for writing suggestions on this website is switched on. This is the first thing to verify, because if Grammarly is disabled for that site, it won't analyze your text at all. Next, right-click the Grammarly icon and open Manage Extension. Inside the extension settings, check your site access permissions. You want it set to on all sites, or at least explicitly allowed for the exact URL of the editor you're using. If Grammarly does not have permission on that page, it cannot scan the content properly. After that, perform a hard refresh on the page. On Windows, press Ctrl plus F5. On Mac, use Command plus Shift plus R. A hard refresh forces the browser to reload the page and extension scripts from scratch, which can fix stuck processes or broken loading issues. If it still is not working, clear your browser cookies and cached files for both Grammarly.com and your text editor's domain. Then log out of Grammarly and sign back in again. This can resolve account sync problems and refresh the connection between your browser and Grammarly's servers. Another very common cause is conflict with other extensions. Temporarily disable any active browser extensions that could interfere, especially ad blockers, auto translators, privacy tools, or competing spell checkers. These tools can block Grammarly from reading text boxes or injecting its suggestion layer. If you use a VPN, proxy, or strict antivirus web shield, turn those off temporarily as well. Grammarly relies on a live connection, including WebSockets, and network filtering can interrupt that communication. If none of those fixes solve the problem, remove the Grammarly extension completely from your browser's extension settings. After uninstalling it, restart your browser fully, then install a fresh copy from your browser's official web store. A clean reinstall often fixes corrupted extension data or broken updates that normal troubleshooting cannot repair. Once Grammarly is reinstalled, go back to your document, open the extension, and confirm that writing suggestions are enabled for that site. At this point, the error checker should be working normally again. If this video helped you fix Grammarly, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.